Welcome back to CodeCraft by MAK. In the last video we learned about loops, repeating tasks with for and while loop. Today we will dive into functions in Python, one of the most powerful ways to organize and reuse code. A function is a block of code that performs a specific task. Instead of writing the same code again and again, we can put it inside a function and reuse it whenever needed. We create a function using the def keyword. For example, def greet print hello welcome to Python. To run it, we just call the function with greet small braces. Functions can also take parameters, which are pieces of information we pass in. For example, def greet parameter is name. Print hello name. When we call this function with greet Ali and greet Zara, it will print hello Ali, hello Sarah. Sometimes functions give something back using return. For example, def add a comma b return a plus b. Result is equal to add 5 comma 3 result print result. This will print 8 as it will take two parameters 5 and 3 and add them and return the sum of them. Let's create a simple calculator function. For example, def calculator a comma b op mean the operator. If op is equal add return a plus b. If op is equal sub, that is subtract, return a minus b, else return invalid operation. Print calculator, call the function with 10, 5 and the operator is add and the result will be 15. And that's it. You know how to define functions, use parameters and return values. In the next video we will take this further with Python list, how to store and work with multiple items at once. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming lessons right here on CodeCraft by MAK. Thank you.